Weebishdu buddies, this is Fetters Farmstead. My name's Tyler. We have plenty of work to do today, so let's get after it. Today's moving day. We're gonna get after it real soon here. We're gonna go get trailers and get some help, get some Amish buddies. We're gonna hit it hard and we're gonna hit it fast. We plan on getting done. We plan on getting done with everything as soon as we can, eating pizza, and then Sarah can put everything away. I'm gonna work on moving shop stuff after that. We got everybody fed this morning. We got our chores done. The goats milked. So now we're gonna go grab some big trailers and just move stuff. We got a lot of work to do before we can move animals. Probably gonna move animals Monday. I gotta put up some gates, put up some fencing. Got a bunch of work to do. Maybe midsummer we'll take a vacation. Doubt it, but the new house is on a much more heavily traveled road. So we have much better opportunities for business in our roadside stand. We're thinking about doing value-added products, not really doing produce. I don't want to be a produce farmer, but I want to raise my own vegetables for my own hot sauces and pickled red beets and, you know, stuff we use that we like. That's what we want to sell. We want to make good pickles and, you know, that stuff. We're not going to make 100 different products. I'm thinking a dozen or so, maybe 2 dozen products that are just fantastic, phenomenal, amazing, good things. You know, all the adjectives, blah, blah, spit them out. So we'll see. Then a little bit after we move, our plan is we want to get our farm kitchen license here in Pennsylvania to sell canned goods and stuff. You have to get a license. So we're gonna have to do that because we want to sell our canned goods.
Still people there.
Is it?
Maybe not.
No, you messed up. I don't know if they know or not.
Yeah, I found out.
We'll figure it out, I guess. We're here.
stay behind me.
I couldn't keep
got
after
stuck in
you.
the yard.
Drove, Sarah.
What?
I couldn't keep after you. Drove. Holy hell.
Yeah, they're coming back with the dogs, the horses, and the carriage.
Today.
Later on this evening. I said that.
So basically, the only problem I see is what are we doing with the dryer?
Why?
Here's your dryer.
Listen, Saul, my wife is English.
Yeah, but
My wife is English!
hey, it don't matter. It's good for the clothes.
That's what your
Air
wife
them out and
Not my wife.
get a little fresh air. This is instead of this treadmill. There's some work. Crank it out.
Washing machine, dryer.
Take us on a tour of the upstairs.
It's up there. I don't know anything up there. Listen, I only go up one time a day, and that's to go to sleep.
I was thinking the same thing.
I was upstairs of that house more today than I've been in a week. If you fall and bump your head.
Just take my hand.
Well, it's Monday afternoon. Me and Sarah have been moving for 3 days now. We've had lots of help. We've had a few struggles along the way. The van got stuck. The truck got stuck. So we've had a lot of good help. I have to say thank you to 4 young Amish men for helping me and Sarah. They did a fantastic job. They worked their little butts off. So we didn't take very much video, and what we did take, a lot of it, the one boy took on my GoPro. So it was an interesting weekend. So we're gonna make this video, and then we're gonna go from here. I'm gonna put up some fences and do some other stuff and get work done around here. So see you, love you, bye.